Here is how to reset your Hily password. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can reset the password of your Hily account. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. Now as you log into your Hily account, you'll come to the Discover section. If you want to reset your password, you might have forgotten it. So basically, you will be logged out of your account and will be looking at the login screen. So let me quickly log out of my account and go to the login screen. Now as you log out, you'll come to the screen like this. Tap on the sign in option on the top. After that, in order to log into your account, you'll have to enter your email address and password. So let's say you have forgotten your password and you want to reset it. You can simply tap on this forgot your password option. Now you'll have to provide an email address to receive the password reset link. So enter the email address of your Hily account. After you have entered your email address, tap on next. Then as you can see on the screen, a link will be sent to your email. So open the link and then set the new password. As you open your mail, you will be looking at an interface like this. Tap on change password. Then after select your browser. Now enter the new password that you want to set and then tap on submit. As you do that, your new password will be applied to your Hily account. So in this way, you can easily reset your Hily password. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.